I came here to improve myself in coding and best practice.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mujahid. My interest language is Java, but I'm working with Ruby on Rails, PHP, and HTML5 JavaScript as well. So I'm interested in test-driven development as well as pair programming. So here to learn and the systems.
Hi, I'm Tilok. My preferred language is Java, but these days what we do is doing some new things with JavaScript and Ruby on Rails. So my ambition is to learn something new.
Hi guys, my name is Kosala. My preferred language is JavaScripting, but I think my name tag says C#. So I'm here to do C# today. Experience is to see where I am between average developer and a good programmer. Thank you.
I'm Chandru. I mainly use C# and a bit of Python. So I'm here today to see what other people write and learn from that, other code.
Hi, I am Nohan. My preferred language is C#, and I came here to practice some good standards and improve my coding, and at the end of the day I create something less buggy.
I'm Viraj. I'm a Java developer. I came here to learn new techniques to improve my code quality.
Hi, I'm Chaturaka. My preferred language is Java. At the end of the day, I would like to improve my coding standards and making the code more efficient, as well as I'd like to share my experience with others, so we gain something out of this.
Thank you.
Hi, I am Kashan. I'm working with C++, Java, C#. Today I'm working with Java. So today I'm thinking of learning from others something.
Hi all, I'm Sathir Ranavira. I'm doing C# and family with ASP.NET and Objective-C. So I want to improve my coding. Thank you.
Hi, this is Srilanka. I'm a primarily C# developer. I'm looking forward to improve my coding skills.
Hi, I'm Harshini. I'm familiar with C# and Java. I'm today here to experience what is Coderetreat and learn something new.
Hi, I'm Dennis Siri. My current development is based on Java and JavaScript, and I basically like to read code and improve them, and so I think I'll get a good experience from this session.
Hi, I'm Ishan. My preferred programming language is Java. I'm here to learn improve my coding skills, and as well as learn how to apply TDD and pair programming in a business environment.
Hi, I'm Sumedha. Main language is Java, and apart from that I have been programming with several other languages as well, but mainly it's Java. And what I'm trying to get out of this is, like, usually when bunch of programmers gather, it's very interesting, so that you can share experience. So I'm looking for that experience from everybody.
Hi, I'm Dilrukshan. I'm a C# developer, and I'm here to improve my coding and learn from others what they do in their work environment.
Thank you. So, I don't know about you, but I noticed some recurring themes in what you're here to do. I think probably the most important things that people have said is, just start writing down on my hand. So I think people want to learn a new technique, or maybe a few, learn something new that you can use to improve the quality of your code, and to share your experience with others, to learn from others and teach to others. And those are three of the most important things today. We will be having a program today where you will all be working together. So, and almost all the time it's you who will be working. So remember what you came here for when you pick the focus of your sessions. I'll give you an introduction to the format and schedule for the day, and then we will get cracking, as we say. Get to work. All right, so we started at 9:30. At 9:30 we will do a first session, and what that means is that I'll introduce the problem, and you'll sit together in pairs and work on the problem. We'll work on the problem for 45 minutes, and the point of this is not to try and get done. The point is to try and write as good of code that you can in those 45 minutes, even if you don't complete very much of the problem. So the code you write, you should be happy with, which is more important than completing the problem. At 10:15, we'll do a retrospective, and we'll talk about what you've learned, and what you want to focus on for the next round. We'll have a tea break around 10:25, and 10:35, I think, we should start session 2. In session 2, so in session 1, find someone who's working in the same programming language as you and who you don't know already. So find someone you don't know and work together with that person. In each session, you will switch who you're working with. So in session 2, find someone else to work with, and you can choose whether you want to work in the programming language that you're familiar with or whether you want to learn a new language. Then, let's see, so that's, so at 11:20, we'll have the next retrospective. And then we'll do the third session at 11:30. And then we'll have, okay, so the lunch will have to be a little later than planned. So we'll have a retrospective at 12:15, and then we'll have lunch at around 12:30. And the lunch will last until about 14 or so. And in the afternoon, we'll have 3 more sessions. We'll be working on the same problem again and getting to know new techniques, new people, and to experience solving the same problem over and over again. The idea behind the Coderetreat is that we get better by repeating the same problem. So I will introduce the problem. So the problem we're going to be working on is called Print Diamond. It is an unusual choice for the Coderetreat, and I chose it for 2 reasons. I hope that someone here will want to do a new Coderetreat later, and then you can use the original problem for the Coderetreat. And the second thing about Print Diamond is that it has very many ways to solve it. So the purpose of Print Diamond is to make a function that's called Print Diamond. And the function takes in as a parameter a letter, for example, D. And the output, if you input D, is a one line with A, B, C, C, and then it goes back in again. So you'll have to calculate the right number of spaces, put the lines together, 1 space here, 1 space here. Was that okay? I think I just made it harder to read with underscores here. All right, here we go. Does the problem make sense to understand what the task is? Any questions? The thing that's very interesting about this problem is that it has, I was first introduced to this problem by John Jagger, who's the guy who created Cyberdojo that we mentioned a bit earlier. And when we were programming on this problem together, we found 3 radically different solutions